If you've ever spent a summer afternoon scooping leaves and debris out of your above-ground pool, you know how fast that fun backyard oasis turns into a chore. That's where robotic pool vacuums come in. And trust me, these little machines are game changers. They don't just save you time, they make owning a pool way more enjoyable. Today we're diving into the best above-ground robotic pool vacuums on the market right now. Models that handle everything from sand and acorns to those mysteriously persistent pine needles. All the links to these products are in the description below, so if anything catches your eye, feel free to check it out. Let's dive in. Let's kick things off with the Gosvor LightVac 800. This cordless unit is one of those rare finds that balances power with convenience. Weighing in at just over 3 kilograms, it's incredibly easy to handle, and its compact size means it doesn't eat up storage space. What impressed me most is its strong suction. This thing pulls in everything from fine sand to small pebbles without breaking a sweat. The fine mesh filter is easy to rinse out, and the self-parking function makes retrieval a breeze. It does all this wirelessly, so there's no hassle with cords tangling or draping over the pool edge. While it typically runs for about 90 minutes, some users may find that battery life drops a bit quicker in heavier debris loads. And occasionally, it might stop unexpectedly, but those moments are more of a hiccup than a deal breaker. For folks who want reliable cleaning without babysitting the machine, this one's a solid choice. Now, if you're looking for something lightweight and easy to set up, the Aiper Scuba SE is worth considering. This little robot features dual-drive motors and a 2-liter filter basket, which is fairly generous for its class. It runs around 90 minutes and covers flat pool floors up to 860 square feet. The Scuba SE is also cordless and self-parking, which makes it super user-friendly. However, its suction is noticeably weaker than others on this list. Don't expect it to lift heavier debris or larger leaves with ease. It also lacks a rotating brush, so scrubbing stuck-on grime isn't its strength. Navigation can be hit or miss, often requiring repositioning if it gets stuck in corners. Compared to the Gosvor LightVac, the Aiper Scuba SE feels a bit less capable, but wins in terms of simplicity and affordability. It's a decent option for small pools with light debris. Speaking of stepping things up, the Dolphin E10 is in a different league altogether. This model is a bit heavier, around 6.6 kilograms, but that extra weight houses some serious cleaning power. Its active scrubbing brush and 4,000 gallons per hour suction make short work of leaves, acorns, and even fine dust. It's a plug-and-play machine with no need for an external pump or booster, and it delivers a consistent 90-minute cleaning cycle. What stands out most about this design is how methodically it cleans. It doesn't just wander randomly, it actually maps out a route across the pool floor. That said, it doesn't climb walls, and you won't find any Wi-Fi or programmable timers here, but the build quality and raw performance more than make up for those omissions. If I had to choose one unit for powerful deep cleaning, the E10 is the one I'd trust to get the job done. If battery life is a top priority for you, the Pool Pure AquaShield SE might just be your match. With dual 30-watt motors and a beefy 5,000 mAh battery, it pushes past the 100-minute mark in runtime, which is excellent for larger above-ground pools. It also handles slight slopes, making it more versatile than models like the Aiper Scuba SE. The AquaShield feels rugged and well-constructed, and its suction power is above average. One caveat, though: it has a tendency to get caught in liner folds or seams, which means you might have to untangle it from time to time. But in terms of value, you're getting a lot here. Longer cleaning time, solid suction, and a device that feels built to last. For someone with a medium to large pool and light slopes, this robot is a smart buy. Now let's talk about the Winnie WPC 200, which looks sleek but unfortunately doesn't deliver where it counts. This unit has a shorter battery life, usually between 60 and 80 minutes, and a relatively weak motor with no rotating brush. While it does offer dual filtration and auto parking performance-wise, it struggles. It often misses spots, and in more than one case, you might find yourself manually nudging it around. Compared to something like the Dolphin E10 or even the Gosvor LightVac, this model feels more like a toy. It's lightweight and easy to lift, sure, but that doesn't compensate for needing to supervise it constantly. Unless you're okay with doing half the cleaning yourself, I'd steer clear of this one. If budget is your main concern and you want something that just works, the Aiper Seagull SE might hit the sweet spot. It's very light, cordless, and easy to operate. It runs for about 90 minutes and is best for flat-bottom pools up to 850 square feet. It features a detachable internal filter and auto parking function, plus a handy LED indicator to let you know when the job's done. However, this model is on the weaker end when it comes to suction, 22 gallons per minute, which can feel underpowered when dealing with heavier debris or dense leaf coverage. It also struggles a bit with traction, and the filter isn't as easy to clean as it should be, but it's competitively priced and works well for smaller pools with lighter debris loads. Imagine a quick dip on a hot day, followed by this little guy buzzing around cleaning up without you lifting a finger. It's a convenience pick more than a powerhouse. Rounding out the list is the Aiper A1, a robot that tries to blend smart tech with high coverage. This unit runs up to 120 minutes and is rated for pools up to about 1,076 square feet. It features a dual filtration system, one mesh and one cotton style, that does an excellent job capturing various debris sizes. The larger intake mouth means it can tackle leaves better than some of its competitors, and its infrared sensors offer improved navigation. Plus, it's app compatible, which is a nice bonus if you like managing devices from your phone. That said, it's not without flaws. Battery consistency can be hit or miss, and the unit sometimes struggles with pool liner seams. Its wheels also lack the grip needed for more textured pool surfaces. Still, if you're tech-savvy and want more app control and coverage range, the Aiper A1 is a strong contender. So let's wrap this up with some quick guidance. If you're looking for maximum suction power and deep cleaning, go with the Dolphin E10. It's hands down the most thorough on this list. For those who want cordless simplicity and solid performance, the Gosvor LightVac 800 is a great balance of convenience and power. On a tighter budget, the Aiper Seagull SE offers good basic functionality without overspending. If your pool is on the larger side and you want extended runtime, the Pool Pure AquaShield SE brings excellent battery life to the table. And if smart features and app connectivity are important to you, the Aiper A1 adds a techie edge. Just don't expect miracles from the Winnie WPC 200. It looks nice, but functionally it lags behind. Now, to help you choose even more precisely. If your pool collects a lot of leaves or acorns, focus on models with stronger suction like the Dolphin E10 or Aiper A1. For weekend-only users who want low maintenance, the Aiper Scuba SE keeps things minimal and affordable. If you're dealing with lots of daily use, think kids, guests, and constant splashing, the Gosvor LightVac 800 offers fast and reliable cleanup without cords getting in the way. Those with slightly sloped pool bottoms should lean toward the AquaShield SE, one of the few cordless units that handles mild inclines. If lifting and handling are a concern, lighter models like the Seagull SE and Scuba SE are easier on the back. For hands-off users who want something that takes care of itself, auto parking features in the LightVac and Seagull SE make cleanup and retrieval a breeze. And if you're into tech and want a little more control from your phone, the Aiper A1 brings smart features into the mix without overcomplicating things. No matter which one fits your needs, these robotic vacuums really do transform pool maintenance from a dreaded task into a hands-off experience. All the product links are down in the description for easy access. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more no-nonsense product breakdowns every week. Catch you next time.